Next up is the word origin. Everybody say it with me. Origin. Very good job. The word origin is a noun and it means the cause or beginning of something. Let's look at the example. The origin of chocolate is the cacao bean. Where does chocolate come from, or what's the beginning, the source, the cause of chocolate? It's the cacao bean. So that's the origin of chocolate. Let's look at the next example. John is going to tell Lucy about the origin of basketball. What is he gonna tell her? He's gonna tell her what is the source or the beginning or the cause of this sport. Next word, prevent. Everybody say it with me. Prevent. Very good job. The word prevent is a verb and it means to stop from happening. We took another form of the word prevent, but it was a noun. The word prevention, if you remember. Do you remember? Okay, let's look at the example. Waterproof boots prevent feet from getting wet. So what do waterproof boots do? They stop the feet from getting wet. Let's look at the next example. I couldn't prevent Tom from swimming. So he couldn't stop Tom from swimming. Next word. Everybody say it with me, please. Punctuate. Punctuate. Very good job. The word punctuate is a verb and it means to mark printed or written materials with periods, commas, and other signs to give importance to. So you might hear your teacher sometimes saying when you write, please punctuate your sentences correctly. What she means is put the marks, the periods, the commas, the question marks, put them correctly. Let's look at the example. Be careful how you punctuate your sentences. And another example is, I could not punctuate my sentences correctly, which means she could not put the commas and the periods correctly. Next word. Everybody say it with me. Representative. Again, representative. Very good job. The word representative is going to be discussed in two forms, the noun and the adjective form. Let's start with the noun. The word representative means a typical example or someone who acts for another. So if I have one thing that is an example of something else, I call that one thing the representative. Okay, let's look at the example. She was the company's representative at the meeting. Was the whole company there? No, it was only her. She was the example, or she was acting for the whole company. So she was the representative. Let's look at other examples. The class chose him as their representative. That means it's only one person who will act or who will be the example for all the other all the other people in the classroom. So he is a representative. Next, this drawing is representative of my drawing style. So since the word representative is an adjective here, it describes this drawing or this one here. This drawing is a typical example of my drawing style.